If you want to get Steam games for cheap prices, the best strategy is to use Steam the smart way instead of buying the moment you see a game. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to find the games you want, put them on your wish list, and wait for the best Steam sales so you can save money. This is a great trick if you're building your library on a budget and want to stop overpaying for games. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Steam store. You can do this by typing store.steampowered.com into the address bar or searching for Steam Store online. Once the page loads, you'll see the Steam homepage, where you can browse featured games, special offers, and discounts. Now use the search bar in the top right corner to look for the game you want. Just type the game title and hit enter. Steam will show you the game page along with screenshots, reviews, system requirements, and the current price. If the game is a little expensive right now, don't rush to buy it. Instead, click Add to your wishlist. This is one of the most important steps because your wishlist helps you track games you want without paying full price immediately. Once a game is on your wishlist, Steam can notify you when it goes on sale, which makes it much easier to catch discounts. After that, the main key is patience. Steam regularly runs major sales throughout the year, and these are usually the best times to get big discounts. The biggest ones to watch for are the summer sale, the winter sale, and smaller weekend deals. During these events, games can drop in price significantly, sometimes by a lot more than during normal weekly discounts. So instead of buying right away, check your wishlist during those sale periods and compare the price. You may find the exact game you wanted at a much cheaper rate. Another helpful tip is to keep an eye on notifications from Steam, because Steam will often let you know when a game on your wishlist has dropped in price. That means you do not have to manually search every day. Just add the games you want, wait for the sale alerts, and buy when the timing is right. This simple habit can save you a surprising amount of money over time. If you want to maximize your savings even more, try building your wishlist before the big sales begin. That way, when Steam launches its seasonal discounts, you already have a list ready to go. You can quickly check what has dropped in price and decide what is worth buying first. It keeps you organized and helps you avoid impulse purchases. So the full process is really easy. Open Steam, search for the game, add it to your wishlist, and wait for major sales like summer sale, winter sale, and weekend deals. Then, when the price drops, grab it at a much better value. That's the easiest way to get Steam games for cheap prices without wasting money. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.